Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to take screenshots in Snapchat without them knowing. Firstly, I want to say this is very unethical and please don't do it unless it's something emergency. So what you can do is head over to Snapchat and then go to the chats and then click on the chat from where you want to take the screenshot. Let's say this is the chat and we want to take a screenshot of it. So what you can do is actually screen record from your mobile's inbuilt screen recorder right over here. Press this, turn it on, and then screen record that chat or that snap. And when you screen record it and get out of it, it won't tell the other person unless you're using an iPhone. It won't tell the other person that the user is screen recording, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.